about how can you fix this problem on your Norton security app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list, then here can you search for Norton security app, or just click here on search, then here add Norton security, so add here Norton. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you just click here on storage, you come to storage list, then you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just so go to your Play Store, you go to your Play Store, click on Play Store here, and here can you search for Norton security app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.